In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit your signature in Adobe Sign. Whether you're new to digital signatures or just looking to update your current one, this guide will walk you through the process step by step. So let's dive right in and make this as easy as possible for you. To get started, open your preferred web browser. This could be Chrome, Firefox, or Safari, whichever you feel most comfortable using. Make sure you have a reliable internet connection so we don't run into any issues as we proceed. Now, navigate to the Adobe Sign website and make sure you're logged into your account. If you haven't logged in, go ahead and do that now with your credentials. Once logged in, you'll land on your dashboard, which is the central hub for managing your documents and signatures. Next, open the document in which you need to edit your signature. Once you have your document open, hover your mouse or trackpad over the section labeled Add Your Signature Initials. This will reveal an icon that looks like a pencil, indicating that you can make edits. Click on this pencil icon next to either your signature or your initials, depending on which one you want to change. You now have a few options to choose from when updating your signature. If you want to draw a new signature, simply use your mouse or, if you have one, a stylus to create your signature directly on the screen. This option is great for those who prefer a personal touch and have steady hands. If you have an image of your signature that you would like to use, perhaps one you scanned earlier, you can upload that too. Adobe Sign accepts image files in formats such as PNG, JPG, GIF, and BMP, so make sure your file is in one of these formats for a smooth upload. Lastly, if you're not using a touchscreen device but wish to sign using your mobile device, you can opt for the mobile signing option. Enter your phone number to receive a link, allowing you to sign on your mobile device and then import it back into Adobe Sign. Once you've drawn, uploaded, or imported your signature, review it to ensure it's exactly how you want it. If everything looks good, click the Save button. This will update your signature on the document, and your newly edited signature will be saved for future use as well. And there you have it, a newly updated signature in Adobe Sign with just a few simple steps. It's that easy. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out more of our tutorials for helpful tips and tricks on digital document management. Goodbye for now.